In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 524 in Notion, step by step, using simple and effective methods that work in 2026. Error 524 usually happens when Notion takes too long to respond, and it can interrupt your workflow right when you need access to your pages the most. The good news is that in most cases, this error is easy to fix without any technical skills. Whether you're using Notion for work, school, or personal projects, this guide will help you get back on track quickly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Now, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by clearing extra Notion sites or tabs. If you have multiple Notion pages or workspaces open at the same time, this can overload your session and cause error 524. Go ahead and close any unnecessary Notion tabs in your browser. If you're using the Notion desktop app, make sure you're only logged into the workspace you actually need. This helps reduce background load and allows Notion to respond faster. Next, refresh the Notion site. This might sound simple, but a full refresh often resolves temporary connection issues. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac to reload the page. If you're using the desktop app, completely close the app and reopen it. Give Notion a few seconds to reload and check if the error is gone. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to log out of Notion and then log back in. Click on your profile icon, choose Log Out, and fully sign out of your account. Once logged out, close your browser or app completely. Then reopen it, go back to Notion, and log in again using your email or login method. This resets your session and often fixes server timeout errors like error 524. Now, if the error is happening on a specific page, there's a very useful trick you can try. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the affected page and select Duplicate. This creates a copy of the page and often bypasses the error if the original page is stuck or corrupted. Open the duplicated page and check if it loads correctly. If it does, you can continue working from there. The next step is to check the official Notion status page. Open your browser and go to notion-status.com. Here, you can see if Notion is experiencing any server outages or performance issues. If there's an ongoing incident, the best option is to wait until Notion resolves it on their end. This confirms that the issue isn't caused by your device or account. Finally, make sure to check your internet connection. Error 524 can also appear if your internet is slow or unstable. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network, restarting your router, or using a wired connection if possible. You can also test your internet speed to make sure it's stable enough to run cloud-based tools like Notion. By following these steps, you should be able to fix error 524 in Notion and get back to your work without frustration. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, fixes, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.